So we have the IB released item, consider the arithmetic sequence 3, 9, 15, ... 1353. So I'm going to show you how to write down the common difference of this sequence. So to find the common difference, you have to take a term and subtract it from the one previous to it. So in this case, it would be the second term, which is 9, minus the first term, which is 3. And there we get 6. And to double check to make sure this is the common difference, you can do it again with another pair. So 15 minus 9, which is also 6. Therefore, we figure out that our common difference, D, equals 6.
From the last part, we have deduced that the common difference is 6. Part B is to find the number of terms in this arithmetic sequence. Now, looking at the sequence itself, we can find that the first term, u sub 1, is 3, and the last term, which since we do not know the number of terms in this sequence, we call it u sub n, and that is 1353. Now, to find the number of terms in the sequence, we can use the formula for the general term, where u sub n is 1353 is equal to the first term, 3, plus n, which is the number of terms in the sequence, what we're solving for, minus 1, times the common difference, which is 6. Now you can subtract 3 from both sides to get 1350 is equal to n minus 1 times 6. And with some simple algebra, you can divide both sides by 6 to get 225 is equal to n minus 1. And to isolate n, you would add 1 to both sides and find that your number of terms in the sequence, which is n, is equal to 226 terms.
For part C, it says define the sum of the sequence. So from the last part, we found that n is equal to 226. We know u sub 1 is 3, and we know u sub n is 1353. So really all we have to do is plug it into this equation to find the sum of the sequence. So we know we're trying to find the sum of the sequence, and we know n is 226. Put that over 2. Then we know u sub 1 is 3, and we add that to 1353. Then we simplify, and we get 113 multiplied by 1356. And we will get 153,228.